Aloha, everyone. Often, when we're talking about designing websites, often people have this kind of misconception that if you can use HTML, if you know how to get around Photoshop, that makes you a designer, a website designer. That's kind of a mistaken idea. People who make things work are not designers. People who make things work are programmers. Okay, so a programmer is someone who knows the language, who knows the programming language, and can get their way around and really make things work. These are the ones who make it work, which without programmers, you know, there would be no websites. They're the ones that make things work. Um, and while for me for instance, I have a rudimentary idea of programming and I can get my way around programming, I am not a programmer. Uh, if you want to become a programmer, this is the wrong class. You need to go through an IT program or IS information systems or computer science program, so at BYU Hawaii or somewhere else, if you want to be a programmer. What we're going to focus on here is designers. Now there are lots of different kinds of designers. But designers, what they do is they make things credible. Their purpose is to make whatever it is that's being created, they make it trustworthy or authoritative on whatever it is that's being promoted. And in this case, we're going to focus on two types of designers. Okay, we're going to focus on instructional designers and graphic designers. Okay, you're going to kind of do both in this course. Now, instructional design. They're content creators. Now, on a normal website, let's say, for instance, a news website, the content creators would be seen as the journalists or someone like that, those who create the content for the website. And content creation is very, very important. If the content is not good, then people are not coming back. For instance, if you have a cereal that you try and you really don't like it. It's really gross. It doesn't matter how good the box looks or how functional the box looks or how it works. If the cereal doesn't taste good, you're not coming back. So content creators are really who make the stuff for the website. Now, for educational websites, these people are instructional designers. And that's who you are going to be for this class. You're going to create some content. Now this content, I forgot my R there. This content will be in two forms. One is you're going to create some videos, okay, that are going to teach something. These are going to be educational videos. Then you're also going to write some articles that teach certain concepts. Okay, so you're going to create some content. But you're going to have to wear a second hat. Okay, so this second hat is you're also going to create the visuals for the website. Now this is graphic design. Okay, graphic designers make things visually credible. Content creators make the content credible. Sorry. But graphic designers make things visually credible. Now, how we do that is we do it in four kind of areas. Okay, the layout, the typography, the color, and the imagery. These four things right here. Okay, they need to marry and agree with and be like the content. So the content and the visuals need to agree with each other. You may be saying, what do you mean, agree with each other? The mood, the feel, the look needs to communicate visually to the user the appropriate mood, the appropriate emotions, the appropriate look and feel that the content is trying to communicate. Okay, so the content is communicating something, but the visuals also in a very real way communicate something. Now for this class, you're creating a website with these educational materials on it, and your audience is an older audience. It's not a youthful audience. So we're going to shoot for a mood or a look or a feel or an emotion where it's comfortable, it's clean, it's open, it's free. Something somebody could do in their leisure time and not be rushed through. Okay, so that's kind of the look and the feel that we're going for in this class. And as we seek to succeed in communicating visually in our layout, our typography, our color, and our imagery that matches the content that we're designing as well, then if we succeed at that, we'll have a website that is very professional, that makes sense, that users will enjoy. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to be doing over the next little while. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you understand how you are going to become start to become a designer, a good designer in this class, in creating good content and good visuals. And I look forward to seeing how you develop as the class goes along. Again, if you need any help or anything, don't hesitate to email me on any of these concepts. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thank you.